Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix live wallpapers not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to use live wallpapers and that wallpapers are not working, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to download this app from App Store, that is Wallcraft. So guys, simply you need to download this app. And guys, after downloading this app, you can see here many of live wallpapers are available in this app. So guys, you can download and install in your iPhone easily. And guys, after doing this, if still not working wallpaper on your iPhone, then guys you need to click on settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on general, click on software update, and make sure that you have updated iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on this tab, simply you need to update from here. And guys, after doing updates you need to go back. And guys, secondly you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys make sure that the storage of your iPhone is not full. So guys, if your storage is full, then guys you need to delete some data from your iPhone storage. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. And guys, after doing all the things, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use live wallpapers on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.